So I noticed that the corners of my TV was green, and my CRTV was green. Let me turn on my light real fast. Turn it on a little bit brighter. Corner of the TV green. I'm like, what the heck is the problem? And I looked it up on Google, and somebody on Reddit had a good idea of what it is. So let me stop blabbering and tell you what the fix is for me. Corner of my TV is green. This right here, this speaker, is the problem. Okay, that's the problem right there. That was it. Can you believe that? All right, peace out.